Hi friends, this is the simple circuit of simple IR remote control. If you see the circuit, this is the IR sensor. This is one transistor BC558. This is another transistor BC548. As well as one capacitor here 100 microfarad, another one capacitor 0.1 microfarad here. Two LED, one is on when appliance on, one is off when appliance is off. The major part of the circuit is IC CD4017, as well as we can connect one relay to control the lamp. So these are the major components in this circuit. Okay, one PNP transistor, one NPN transistor can be used. So this is the simple circuit diagram. So now we see our breadboard connection. You see here, this is the transistor BC558. Here one resistor 47 ohm here. This is the capacitor 100 microfarad. This is the sensor. This is the transistor. This is the sensor. This is the transistor. Okay, this is the capacitor. Here two resistor, one 220 kilo ohm, another this one is 330 ohm. Here also 330 ohm resistor connected another LED. This is the heart of the circuit, that CD4017. This is another one resistor 1 kilo ohm. This is the another transistor BC548. Diode. Across the diode we will connect the relay. So when we give the supply through battery, so this is the breadboard connections of this circuit. Now see the remote, we press the remote. Yes, this is on condition, this is off condition, on condition, off condition. So this is the simple circuit to switch on and switch off the lamp using remote. Okay, thank you.